The world is changing. In every corner of the globe, technology is reshaping the way we live, work, and even think about money. A new kind of gold rush is happening right now, but instead of picks and shovels, it's powered by computers. This digital revolution is driven by the relentless pursuit of cryptocurrency. This is the world of cryptocurrency mining, where digital treasures are unearthed and fortunes are made. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless other digital currencies are being created through complex processes. It's a world of complex algorithms and powerful machines, but at its heart, it's a story of innovation and the future of finance. These algorithms solve intricate mathematical problems, validating transactions and securing the network. Every day, more and more people are drawn to the allure of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. They see it as a new frontier, a chance to be part of something revolutionary. These digital currencies offer a new way to think about money, free from the control of governments and banks. They promise a decentralized future where financial power is in the hands of the people. But behind the scenes, a hidden army of miners works tirelessly to keep these cryptocurrencies running. These miners are the backbone of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, ensuring its stability and security. They are the unsung heroes of the cryptocurrency revolution. This is their story. From the massive data centers to the individual miners working from home, their efforts are what make this digital gold rush possible. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. So what exactly is cryptocurrency mining? Imagine a giant decentralized ledger that keeps track of every single cryptocurrency transaction. This ledger is called the blockchain. Miners are like digital bookkeepers, verifying and adding new transactions to this blockchain. Think of it like this. Every time someone makes a Bitcoin transaction, it's like writing that transaction down on a piece of paper. Miners take all of these pieces of paper and group them together into blocks. They then use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems that seal these blocks, adding them to the blockchain. This process of solving problems and adding blocks to the blockchain is what we call cryptocurrency mining. But what are these complex mathematical problems that miners solve? Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency mining. They're not your typical math equations. These problems are specifically designed to be difficult to solve but easy to verify. Instead, miners are trying to find a special key that unlocks a block. This key is known as a nonce, which stands for number only used once. This key is a random number that, when combined with the data in the block and put through a special formula, produces a specific result. The formula used is a cryptographic hash function, which takes an input and produces a fixed-size string of characters. This process is like trying to guess a secret code. The miners must keep trying different nonces until they find one that, when hashed with the block's data, produces a hash that meets certain criteria. Miners use their computers to try billions, even trillions of combinations until they find the right one. This requires immense computational power and energy. The first miner to find the key gets to add the block to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency. This reward incentivizes miners to continue their work and secure the network. It's a race against time, and the miners with the fastest computers have the best chance of winning. However, it's not just about speed. Efficiency and energy consumption also play crucial roles in determining a miner's success. The decentralized nature of mining means that miners from all over the world are competing against each other. This global competition helps to maintain the security and integrity of the blockchain. As more miners join the network, the difficulty of the puzzles adjusts to ensure that blocks are added at a consistent rate. This self-regulating mechanism is a key feature of many cryptocurrencies. Successfully solving these puzzles and adding new blocks to the blockchain is not just about earning rewards, it's about contributing to the stability and security of the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. This system of solving puzzles to add blocks to the blockchain is called proof of work. It's a clever way to ensure the security and integrity of the blockchain. Because miners have to expend a lot of computing power to solve these puzzles, it makes it very difficult for anyone to cheat the system. Think of it like this. If someone wanted to tamper with the blockchain, they would have to redo the work of all the miners who came before them. They would need an enormous amount of computing power to do so, making it practically impossible. Proof of work is what makes cryptocurrencies so secure and trustworthy. Section 5. Blockchain Security. a fortress of transactions. The decentralized nature of the blockchain further enhances its security. Instead of being stored in one central location, the blockchain is copied across a network of thousands of computers around the world. This means that even if one computer is hacked or compromised, the blockchain remains safe. It's like having 1,000 copies of a valuable document. Even if one copy is destroyed, the information is preserved. This makes it incredibly difficult for hackers to steal cryptocurrencies or manipulate the blockchain. The blockchain is a fortress of transactions, protected by the power of mathematics and decentralization. Section 6. Mining jargon, hash rate, and block rewards explained. Now let's dive a little deeper into the world of mining and explore some key terms. Hash rate. This refers to the speed at which a miner's computer can perform the calculations needed to solve the puzzles. The higher the hash rate, the more powerful the computer, and the better the chances of winning the block reward. Block reward. This is the prize that miners receive for successfully adding a block to the blockchain. The block reward is made up of newly created cryptocurrency and transaction fees. Understanding these terms will give you a better grasp of the complexities of the mining world. Section 7. The mining landscape. Benefits, challenges, and statistics. Cryptocurrency mining is a rapidly evolving landscape with its own set of benefits and challenges. As the backbone of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, mining plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and security of blockchain networks. This process involves solving complex mathematical problems, which in turn validates and records transactions on the blockchain. On the one hand, mining provides a vital service to the cryptocurrency ecosystem, securing the blockchain and enabling transactions. This ensures that the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies remains intact, free from the control of any single entity. Miners are rewarded for their efforts with newly minted coins and transaction fees, which can be quite lucrative. It also offers the potential for significant financial rewards for successful miners. These rewards can be substantial, especially during periods of high cryptocurrency prices. Many individuals and companies have invested heavily in mining equipment and infrastructure, hoping to capitalize on these opportunities. However, mining also faces criticism for its high energy consumption. The process of solving complex mathematical problems requires a significant amount of computational power, which in turn consumes a large amount of electricity. This has led to concerns about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining, particularly in regions where the energy mix is heavily reliant on fossil fuels. The powerful computers used in mining require a lot of electricity to run, which can have a negative impact on the environment. This has sparked a debate about the sustainability of cryptocurrency mining and the need for more energy-efficient technologies. Some mining operations have started to explore renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, to mitigate their environmental footprint. Despite these challenges, the cryptocurrency mining industry continues to grow. Innovations in mining technology and the increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies are driving this growth. New mining equipment is being developed to be more efficient and powerful, allowing miners to stay competitive in this ever-evolving landscape. In 2025, the global cryptocurrency mining market size is estimated to be worth billions of dollars, with thousands of miners operating worldwide. This growth is not just limited to traditional mining hubs, but is expanding to new regions, driven by the promise of financial gains and the increasing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies. Section 8. The future of mining innovation on the horizon. The future of cryptocurrency mining is full of exciting possibilities. As technology advances, we can expect to see more energy-efficient mining methods emerge. Researchers are exploring alternative consensus mechanisms like proof of stake, which could significantly reduce the energy consumption of mining. Furthermore, the development of new hardware such as application-specific integrated circuits or ASICs, designed specifically for mining, is constantly pushing the boundaries of mining efficiency. The future of mining is likely to be shaped by innovation and a drive towards sustainability. Section 9. Stay informed. The cryptocurrency revolution continues. Cryptocurrency mining is a complex and fascinating world, full of technical jargon and constantly evolving technologies. But at its core, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of decentralization. As the cryptocurrency revolution continues to unfold, it's more important than ever to stay informed and engaged. Read articles, follow industry experts, and learn as much as you can about this transformative technology. The future of finance is being written right now, and cryptocurrency mining is at the heart of it all. Join the revolution. Don't forget to subscribe to Cryptokrytonite for more amazing crypto news and stay updated on the world of crypto.